has one army, with English as we born, to free the youth from unemployment and take part in international decisions. Beneath this English law, let's stand as one army, with English as we born, to free the youth from unemployment and take part in international decisions.
English has become the most operational language all over the world. Let the world to spread it across the country and beyond.
L'événement qui nous rassemble ce matin est un événement de taille parce qu'il concerne également un enjeu de taille, un enjeu de développement. Il s'agit en réalité de la politique linguistique de notre pays qui, depuis un certain temps, se veut ouverte sur le monde entier à travers cet outil de développement qui est la langue anglaise. Et dans ce sens-là, bien sûr, notre institution, l'université, a eu un partenariat de longue date avec l'ambassade des États-Unis à travers différentes initiatives. Certains d'entre vous connaissent bien le centre Obama qu'on appelle encore le American Programming Center, où des ressources sont mises à la disposition de tous les étudiants, enseignants, chercheurs et du public en général pour le développement de l'aptitude linguistique en anglais, avec différents séminaires, différents ateliers qui sont organisés. Et vous y voyez également le dynamisme du plus grand club d'anglais du Bénin, le Titi Gotti English Club bien sûr, que je salue au passage, pour toutes les initiatives qu'ils mettent en place pour la promotion de la langue anglaise au Bénin. Je saisis cette opportunité pour appeler les uns et les autres à un sommet vraiment riche en décisions, riche en recommandations qui vont nous permettre de lancer une fois de bon ce mouvement qui a déjà pris depuis un certain temps.
Au Bénin, plusieurs langues étrangères se côtoient en permanence. Certaines langues sont plus rentables que d'autres. C'est le cas de l'anglais, qui est l'une des langues les plus rentables à travers le monde aujourd'hui. Parler l'anglais est un atout surtout pour l'emploi. De ce point de vue, il importe de préparer efficacement la jeune génération, la génération future, à relever le défi qui est celui de la langue anglaise. La création des clubs d'anglais est déjà une chose, mais encore faut-il s'assurer du bon fonctionnement de ces clubs. En vue donc de redynamiser et renforcer les capacités des 10 clubs, cette formation est la bienvenue. Cet événement dénommé Benin English Club Leaders Summit est une formation de 3 jours au profit de 132 leaders, dont 63 clubs venus un peu partout du Bénin. Invited guest Obama, in one of his speech during one conference, said this: "Our mission is helping young people see themselves in the future of their country and giving them the tools and resources they need to forge their own path to shape it." Investing in English clubs is for sure helping young people see themselves in that future of their country. It is to impact positively the young generation. It is my strong belief that if we stay together, we will improve the life of the young generation.
Je suis fier de vous voir
et je suis fier de voir une salle si pleine de jeunes qui sont bien chargés dans l'apprentissage d'anglais. Il faut dire que ce sommet ne sera pas possible sans le soutien du Bureau des Affaires africains au siège aux États-Unis. Je crois que ce sommet et le soutien donné par le Bureau des Affaires africains est un exemple de notre partenariat fort avec les pays africains, y compris le Bénin. Welcome everybody to the first annual English Club Summit here in Benin. This has been a dream of mine for well over a year, and I have to thank Flavien, the representatives from Titi-Gueti, the University of Abomey-Calavi, represented by Christian, for all of the support that you have provided for this event. Why are we supporting English in Benin? We're supporting it because the government has asked us to. They came to us directly with a request to help English teachers. And while we have helped them institute English language learning at the primary level, we know that real English language learning does not happen in the classroom, but it happens outside. When you're with your friends, speaking, playing, watching movies, enjoying the English language. If I can give you a bit of my own family background, my father moved to the United States in 1969. He did not speak English very well, and all of the English that he learned was from participating in his English club at his university. This was 1969, before YouTube, before iPhones, before the internet, before color television, and yet he managed to succeed. He lives in the United States now. He's now retired happily after having led a very successful business. But it's because of his English club at his university that he learned the English language. What you are doing now is simply what he did then. It's promoting economic opportunity for the youth to really expand what they have learned, to become bilingual, to have the twin tools of French and English to really improve economic opportunity for everyone. But this is not just about English. While English is certainly an important goal of this summit, you should not forget that English clubs represent something else. They represent grassroots movements. They represent democracy in action. Every time you have a meeting, you have to set an agenda. Every year, you have to choose a governing board. You have to choose which activities you support. You have to search for funding. These are essential elements of being civil society organizations. These are essential elements of democracy. This is why I'm proud to say that every single department in Benin is represented here today. Please, everyone, clap for that. That's really amazing. Over the next few days, you are going to hear a lot about various strategies for organizing your clubs, for leading your clubs, for seeking out resources, for gaining resources from the U.S. Embassy. But you shouldn't forget what the real goal of this summit is. And that's for you to meet each other. That's to connect the English clubs from Mono to the English clubs from Atakora, from Borgu, from the Collines, from Weme, to really create a network so you can share ideas. You may lead a club that has 10 members. You may lead a club that has 1,000 members. But you all have things that you can learn from one another. And I hope that you take advantage of all of these opportunities to exchange ideas. We are not going to be delivering lectures. We are going to be exchanging. If we present ideas that you disagree with, question us. Take advantage of the opportunity, because we want to hear from you what your ideas are as well. Thank you again for making this idea a reality. It's really amazing to see such a great group. It's really amazing to see such a room so full of energy. And I hope that we have a great 3 days. Thank you very much.
English has become the most operational language all over the world. Let the world spread it across the
quality education and for employment. Yes, once spread across the country and beyond, so that every single in English has the passport to free the land of poverty.
In this cause, let's stand as an army with English as we born to free the youth from unemployment and take part in international decisions. In English club, let's stand as an army with English as we born to free the youth from unemployment.